The Indian smartphone scene is heating up with a wave of flagship launches, and leading the charge is the Oppo Find X8 Pro. This camera-centric phone also packs a punch in terms of performance with the latest Dimensity 9400 chipset. But with Snapdragon 8 Elite phones just around the corner, how does it compare in terms of performance? Also, is the camera hype worth it? Let's unpack all of this and more in my review. Let's get the specs out of the way. You can see them on your screen. The camera specs are top notch, as you can see, and the rest of the phone is no slouch too. But let's put the specs aside and actually look at how the Oppo Find X8 Pro performs in the real world and benchmarks. Kicking things off with the build and design, the Oppo Find X8 Pro is one of the most sleek flagship phones I've had the pleasure of testing. At merely 8.2 mm thickness, the in-hand feel far exceeds that of the bulkier S24 Ultra. The quad curved glass on the front and the back looks stellar, and there's barely any mistouches when you're gaming. The camera module has also been shrunk compared to the Find X7 Ultra, but it still protrudes enough to create significant table wobble. Plus, holding it in landscape mode when you're gaming can be a tad uncomfortable. The buttons are nice and tactile, haptics are top notch, but the optical fingerprint sensor lags behind in speed when compared to ultrasonic scanners on other flagships. Oppo has also added an alert slider, which is quite convenient. Oppo also adds a quick button, which is basically a copy of the Apple camera control button, except that it is not an actual physical button but a pressure sensitive one. Yeah, we really didn't need that. The zooming action feels clunky, and it doesn't even have as many functions as Apple's camera control button. There's also IP68 and IP69, so the phone is pretty robust to environmental damage. Overall, I really fancy the design and the build of the Oppo Find X8 Pro. It's a sleek, modern-looking phone with minimal build compromises. Featuring a 6.78-inch quad-curved LTPO AMOLED display, the Oppo Find X8 Pro is a pretty solid phone for content consumption on the go. The bezels are symmetrical and quite slim, and the display is proper bright. It hit 1568 nits in the high brightness mode in our tests. The screen refreshes from 1 to 120 Hz smoothly thanks to LTPO tech, and it also supports Oppo's Pro XDR tech, which makes highlights pop. Oppo has also included 2160Hz PWM dimming, which is great for eye health, especially for late night scrollers. The phone's display is topped with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for protection against scratches and drops, but the back glass's protection remains unspecified. The display supports HDR10+ and Dolby Vision, and the viewing experience is incredible. Colors look rich and the dynamic range is great. However, the sharpness isn't as good as other flagships with 2K screens. This one is just 1.5K, and discerning eyes will be able to tell the difference. Now here's where things get interesting. This is the first phone in India with the Dimensity 9400 chipset, a chipset that was making the waves with its rumored 3 million plus AnTuTu score. However, our test results didn't quite match that level of greatness. So the Find X8 Pro only managed to get a score of 2.2 million in AnTuTu, which is a mere 6.32% improvement over last year's iQOO 12, which clocked in a 2.1 million AnTuTu score with its 8 Gen 3 processor. In fact, the Oppo Find X8 Pro lagged behind a Snapdragon 8 Elite phone we're currently testing by quite a lot, 20.77% to be exact. The Geekbench scores were equally disappointing. The single-core score was lower than the score of last year's flagships like the iQOO 12 and the Xiaomi 14, and the multi-core score isn't as big of an improvement as we're seeing on the Snapdragon 8 Elite phones. But then we noticed something else. In the CPU throttling test, not only did the Find X8 Pro throttle lesser than Snapdragon 8 Elite flagship phones we're testing, but it also had a higher max score. The average score is also vastly different. It's much better on the Find X8 Pro. So Oppo seems to be much better when it comes to sustained performance, but the scores are a bit throttled in tests like AnTuTu and GFX Bench compared to competing Snapdragon 8 Elite and even Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 phones. Do you want me to compare the Snapdragon 8 Elite and Dimensity 9400 chipsets in more detail? Type chipset comparison in the comments and I'll do that. Now in day-to-day usage, the phone is buttery smooth. No lag, no stutters, just extremely smooth. But I did notice the device heating during long gaming sessions and while shooting photos or videos, despite having a pretty robust vapor chamber cooling system. So overall, I would give the performance a good B+, maybe an A-. As for software, ColorOS 15 based on Android 15 is incredibly smooth. One new feature I really like is Touch to Share, which allows you to easily transfer files from this phone to iPhones or iPads. The visual overhaul of ColorOS 15 looks pleasing to the eye and the AI features work reasonably well. The phone scored a respectable 81 out of 100 in our Digit AIQ score. As for software updates, Oppo has promised a solid 5 years of OS updates and 6 years of security updates. Oppo has not held back when it comes to cameras. The Find X8 Pro houses a monstrous quad camera setup with 4 50-megapixel cameras. It consists of a 50-megapixel Sony LYT-808 primary camera, a 50-megapixel Sony LYT-600 periscope telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, another 50-megapixel Sony IMX858 6x periscope camera, and finally a 50-megapixel Samsung ultra-wide shooter. Oh, and there's a decent 32-megapixel Sony camera up front as well. This setup makes the Find X8 Pro the first globally available smartphone with dual periscope telephoto cameras, which Oppo has managed to integrate thanks to some clever space management and a new tech that includes innovative ways to stack components. The results are honestly sublime. The Find X8 Pro shines in the camera department thanks to its collaboration with Hasselblad. This partnership has once again delivered exceptional results, particularly in portrait photography. Portrait shots on the Find X8 Pro boast an impressive dynamic range, retaining intricate details while beautifully balancing highlights and shadows. The color science also leans towards natural tones, offering realistic yet vibrant results. However, the only miss here is the inconsistent edge detection. While generally accurate, it can falter occasionally, leading to minor inconsistencies in subject-background separation, as you can see here. When it comes to zoom capabilities, the Find X8 Pro sets a new benchmark. The 6x telephoto lens paired with powerful AI algorithms offers stunning clarity and detail even at extreme zoom levels. The phone handles 30x zoom impressively, but the real jaw-dropper here is its 120x zoom, which outclasses most competitors by delivering sharp and detailed images where others struggle. Indoor photography is another strong suit, with the camera performing admirably under artificial lighting conditions. Master Mode deserves a special mention too, as it enhances images with a polished professional look. However, I noticed that shadows can sometimes appear crushed when using this mode, particularly in low light scenarios. To get the most out of Master Mode, it's best to use it in environments with ample lighting. 4K at 60 FPS video is possible on the front and back cameras, and the footage looks pretty impressive. Overall, the Oppo Find X8 Pro boasts one of the most comprehensive and high-performing camera systems available in a smartphone today. Despite the slim profile, the Find X8 Pro houses a massive 5910 mAh battery, and all that's possible because of the new silicon carbon batteries. You will start seeing this tech on most flagship phones this year, which is excellent for battery longevity. The silicon carbon battery is much smaller than similar sized lithium-ion batteries, which is why you can have a massive 5900 mAh cell in this slim profile. The phone lasted a ridiculous 16 hours and 7 minutes in the PCMark battery life test, which is fantastic. However, I noticed faster than usual battery drain during gaming. So if you're a gamer, you may have to charge this phone more often, but for most other users, this is easily a 1 or a 1.5 day phone. Charging is also super fast with 80-watt wired charging, and it topped up from 0 to 100% in just 49 minutes. There's also 50-watt wireless charging support. The Oppo Find X8 Pro is a flagship that truly aims to stand out in 2024. It does impress with its sleek design, stunning display, and game-changing dual periscope cameras, making it a top pick for photography enthusiasts. While the Dimensity 9400 chipset falls short of Snapdragon 8 Elite in benchmarks, it excels in sustained performance and day-to-day use. With stellar battery life, super fast charging, and innovative silicon carbon tech, it's a reliable all-rounder. Gamers might notice heating during long sessions, but for most users, this flagship delivers a premium experience. What do you think? Does the Oppo Find X8 Pro make your wish list, or are you waiting for Snapdragon 8 Elite phones? Let us know below. Bye!